Mommy, I'm tickling. Mommy, in my neck. Mommy, Mommy, having a tickle with you. Mommy, what are you doing at night? You cutting papaya? Mommy?
Yes, Mommy.
Mommy, you have lots of jobs. Did you?
Yes, Mommy.
Why? You want to work with us? Buy shoes and buy things. Want to buy? With me, Mommy?
Yes, Mommy.
Come on, Mommy. You going work? I need to buy everything I need.
What do you need, Mommy?
I need chips, candies, and chocolates. I need it all for me. I will eat it by myself with friends. Give one chocolate, said no more chocolate allowed.
Why, Mommy?
Because friends make me angry.
How?
They cry and go.
Why they cry?
Because everybody don't love water. He needs to wash herself. Their mommy said, come on, let's go. They'll cry. I don't love cries, but I said, no cry and no bad things. Mommy?
But sometimes you also cry.
I don't know.
Yes, I saw.
Who saw it?
Why you cry? Mommy, wanna
Yes?
study?
No.
Why you don't wanna study?
I don't love studying it
Why?
because it's so bad.
What?
I don't like studying it so bad
Why studying is so bad?
because it's so boring.
Boring?
Yes, only boring.
Why?
You have phone kitty. I want to buy it like you, Mommy. You have kitties in it, in your phone. Mommy, you can put it on my phone too.
Mommy, wanna go to school?
What?
Do you wanna go to school?
With you?
Yes.
How? Yes?
But if you wanna go to school with me, you have to study.
No, I don't want to go to school.
So, wanna live at home?
Yes.
Okay.
Home is so pretty.
Oh,
I have toys to play with it and draws. I don't have friends in your school.
okay. Stay at home.
Okay. I know how to stay home. We can play with my brother.
Who is your brother?
Brother mine is sleeping now.
Who is your brother?
Ihan. Mine. I'm her big girl. Love to eat milk, vegetables, and in the bowl, I have my cereal. I eat by myself. I don't need anyone help me. Okay, Mommy?
Okay.
You stay home in there. I need to feed my birdies. I need to give her sleepy.
Where is your birdies?
Birdies over there.
How many birds have you?
I have 2 of the birdies.
2 birdies.
Yes.
What's their name?
Name Cookie and Rosie.
Cookie, only Cookie.
Yeah.
No.
Gingerbread Cookie. Mommy.
Do you know any story?
Yes.
Tell me a story.
Why? Mommy. What story you love, Mommy?
Tell me any types of story.
A princess or animal? Mommy?
Princess.
What princess? Mommy? Okay, there a story named a princess. We'll say it. There's a little girl with her daddy. He's holding some birdies and some water falling down. And her mommy gave her a rose. He played with it. He gave her a rose. And then have some sisters. Sister is so bad and her mom is so bad. They don't love her. He loves to clean every day. And her mom, everything dirty, is clean again. Okay, Mommy? And then her have a boy. I love her. A boy named Prince. He loves to tell her what to do. Her hair is so big and strong. He pushed her hair to pull the prince calm. Her baby and mom, a witch take away. And then he sleep her, said he take my tomato and eat it, your daddy, said the witch. And her baby grew up and now he said, give me food. He gave her food to eat and then you give her hair, big long hair. Said, it's mine climbing things. He climbed and climbed. A prince loved her to come with us, Mommy. Then the witch come here, see it, her prince, talk to him, and sing together. You know, Mommy?
Yes, Mommy. Then?
Then the prince grown up. And now witch is not here anymore. And now he loves her any more times, Mommy.
The story is end?
Yes, Mommy.
Wow, it's a nice story.
Mommy,
Yes,
what are you
Mommy.
doing?
I'm taking your video clip
Why?
because I love you.
Why?
Because you are my daughter. You are my princess. You are my angel.
You can make a princess dress pink for me.
You are my princess.
You need to make me a princess dress pink color.
Oh, okay, Mommy.
I will put it on it.
Okay, I will make a princess dress for you.
A big
Okay,
and long.
okay.
I put it and I will go to the dress party.
Oh, okay, Mommy.
In my birthday, in the Sunday, Tuesday, Saturday, long. Okay, Mommy?
Okay, Mommy.
What are you doing? You taking it?
I'm taking your video, Mommy.
Why? Mommy,
Mommy, tell me.
day is the off. And now it's so much cold outside. I'm so chilly out there.
Do you want to go outside?
Yes, but rains every day, and night and morning. How can I play? I want to play in the rain. I cannot play. There's some lots of weather. and the weather makes lots of storms and skies red and makes so much rain and rain and rain, Mommy.
No, Mommy. Now winter is coming. There is no rain.
Yes, but rains fall in the night.
No.
Yes, falls in the night. I was a little girl. Fall in night was a little bit of grown up. No, Mommy? Okay? And now every day is falling night, rains. There's a hair, Mommy. I found it. Here you go. The hair.
Oh.
Your hair.
Yes, Mommy. Sorry.
With fall everywhere, hair and hair and hair, Mommy. Why so everybody hair so long and falling out? My hair's not fall. Hair is so pretty. Mommy,
Yes, Mommy.
why are you laughing at me? Mommy,
Because I like you. I love you.
you're laughing too.
No.
Yes,
I love you. Really, I love you.
I see you. You're laughing.
Do you love me?
Yes, but what are you laughing about me? I'm talking, but you laughing, Mommy.
Sorry, Mommy. Oh, Mommy, there are too much mosquitoes.
Where is it? I found a coin. Mommy,
Oh.
you need to put it on the water. You need to waste something else in your by yourself and put it on the water.
Why?
You will be a true Mommy. Your
Coin?
yes, make your truth. You need to say the water. It will give you a clue. Give you a truth. You okay? Wish come truth, Mommy. They're real. They have fairies everywhere. You can have a coin. You see the coin? I have my tooth fairy take away my teeth and give me this coin. Brush my teeth every day. No, tooth fairy give her a tooth take away tooth fairy and give a coin.
Why, Mommy?
I need coins to buy something else for me. Okay?
Okay.
Coin need to make all my stuff. I need a car.